friends, today I'm doing unboxing of new Ugg boots that I've got lately, actually a few days ago, but they arrived today. The Ugg boots. Wait, I forgot to put my mic. And link of these shoes where you can buy them is in the description, so you don't have to look for it. Okay, bye. So I'm doing unboxing of new Ugg boots that I've got lately, and they are very nice, but little bit different than in past. They are more different model, not classic Ugg Australia classic, but little different. So I will show you. Here they came in the box. Box looks like this. Normal box. Ta-da! Let's open them. So they come with this pins, and here they are. Number 1. Here is the card. This I don't need. And another one. That will be thumbnail. Okay. Let's put it here maybe. So I've got this new model, which is, name of it is Woman Classic Tall Trailgazer. Ugg Trailgazer. So look guys, they looks like this, and the color I've got it's hickory, because this color actually I saw on the sale, so I've got this one, because they also come in black and in chestnut, but the other ones were $250, so I didn't like to spend so much. And I saw these ones in Nordstrom Rack for $160, and I chose also 4 payments for $40, so I paid 40 so far, and rest payments in future every 2 weeks. That way I avoid interest. So this one looks like this. It's a Trailgazer. The ones, see, because they have better sole, actually looks much stronger than normal Ugg classics. And see, these ones are really like this. They have similar design of sole, but it's made more out of rubber, I think. Weather rated to -20 Celsius. Wow. And it says waterproof features. That's good, because I wanted that they waterproof, because if we have strong winter and cold, then I will be good, you know, for going to big snow. Okay, so that's what it says on the sole. And the color I've got is called hickory. So see, it has like 2 kinds of leather. This one is, I was at first thinking that this is just this part here is suede, but no, it's sheepskin, and here is sheepskin too, which is good, because I don't like suede too much in Ugg boots, because they are more stiff. And this part is like different kind of leather. See, this one looks like it's maybe cow. Oh, but it's a real one. Looks real. So see, in the back it looks like this. It says Ugg on that tag, and it has nice thick sole, like over 2 inches or something like that. And here the shaft is nice and roomy. It has nice, I like this trimming on at the end of shoe and here, because remember they were having those Uggs similar to those, but I don't know what the model name, but they were tall and they were better for winter, but they discontinued and maybe they changed with these ones. That's why I've got these ones, and for 160 it's a good deal. And look guys, inside they looks like this, nice and cute, thick, nice and thick fur, which is nice for winter. You could even do this, but I don't know if it looks better. Not sure about it. And I really like how it looks. I like the colors. It's something like greenish but brownish, something in between brown and green. So that's nice color, I think. And I got them in size 10, and I would say they run fine, true to size, because I have 9.5 or 10, and I tried them already and they fit me perfect. Actually glad I didn't get the size 9 because I was thinking some reviews were saying that they are running small, I think, and it's kind of, I would say they might run half size small, but I'm not sure. But I would suggest get the size you have, or size bigger, I mean half size bigger if you have in between sizes. So second one is here. I would try them on, how they look on me, because I wanna see if they look fine. Yeah, they fit. Put it. So they looks like this. Maybe I put in here now. Oh look guys, very nice. So can you see? This will be my tripod. It looks like this. Really nice. And here it looks like this, and here like this. So as you can see, they fit perfect, and because my toes are somewhere here, so glad I could got size half size bigger or smaller, actually smaller, but they don't sell in 9.5, so I got 10 and it's good. They fit and they looks cute. I like how they looks. And now I show you from top. Oh, like so. See, they looks really nice. Interesting design. I like the trim. I mean, the other color, which is chestnut, would looks nice too, but I didn't have. I mean, I could have, but If I buy them in chestnut, they would be $250, I think. So $100 more, almost $90 more. But I like this color too. They are nice for winter, and better grips, better sole. When you have snow, you can go on dog walks or some walks. Let's see. Yeah, very comfortable and not stiff. Some people saying they're heavy. They're not that heavy, just that sole is a little bit heavier, but when you have bigger sole, of course it will be a little heavier than in regular Uggs. But that means that it's also more sturdy and protects, and it's better maybe for sleeping. Slippery surfaces, it will be better, like icy roads or icy pavements. So yeah, looks like this. So yeah, that's my inside box, looks like this, and here is the model number if you want to buy similar item or the same. I got size 10 US size, which is 41, and 27, and UK is 8. Woman classic tall trailgazer. They also come in short sizes if you want. Okay, that's it. They also come in shorter sizes. And here's Ugg responsible materials. Unboxing of my Ugg Trailgazer shoes or boots. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye. Pas de soleil,